So we're at Anchorage at the Cabbage Key, and I started smelling some burning, and smoke starts to fill the cabin. Took that off. That's obviously not what you want. That is obviously not what you want.
It's been a long time coming, but the date is finally here. We are leaving St. Petersburg, Florida for our first destination, Fort Myers Beach. Our plan is to spend about a month here at the dock before making our way down to the Keys at the end of hurricane season.
Woohoo! Excited?
Yes.
Here we go.
So excited. Arthur, no!
It's tough being Satori's head bartender.
It is, it's a rough life. Back on that champagne again. We stepped it up from the $9 a bottle to the $9.99 a bottle. Cheers. Cheers.
Oh yeah, that's much better than the barefoot bubble.
Much better.
Clouds and thunders standing in my way, but I must try to figure it out anyway. Songs of worries travel with the storm, but I must try.
The Sunshine Skyway Bridge spans Tampa Bay with a length of over 4 miles connecting St. Petersburg to Manatee County. Opened in 1987, this massive bridge was built to replace an older bridge that was destroyed by an ocean freighter. During a tropical storm in 1980, the 600-foot, 20,000-pound vessel Summit Venture collided with a support column, sending over 1,200 feet of the bridge plummeting into Tampa Bay. The collision caused 6 cars, a truck, and a Greyhound bus to fall 150 feet into the water, killing 35 people. It's strange to think this is the last time we'll be sailing under the Skyway for a while. Seeing this sight never gets old.
Walls and mountains standing in my way, but I must try to figure it out anyway. Tales of worries travel with the storm, but I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone. And now, ooh, when you're gone, ooh, I know things won't be the same no more, I'm sure. It'll take a while 'cause I'm still so.
So we just got to our anchorage. Got the anchor set, relaxed for about 15 minutes, and we got this storm rolling in. You can see it's raining right in front of us. This will be the first test of our Mantis 65-pound sexy ass anchor.
We're good.
What do you think?
Not scared at all.
It's hot in here though.
It is.
We got the generator running. Some AC down below. Oh yeah. Luxuries.
Bit of a rough ride this morning out a longboat on our way to Cabbage Key. Pretty windy, pretty wavy. Arthur doesn't know what's going on.
I just want to run free and they won't let me leave.
It's too rough, little man.
Well, we pulled out a longboat pass. It's looking like 1 to 2 footers on the forecast, but we're obviously in a little bit more than that. Tried to put the mainsail up, and we had some battens that were starting to slide out. Not really sure why. Thought I put them in fine. Like the Velcro gave away. It looks like we saw something fall out of the sailbag after we dropped it, and I think it was one of the battens. I guess we'll find out. We got about 20 miles, and then we can duck into Venice Inlet, and I think that's what we're going to do. We're not going to make it to Cabbage Key today. Too rolly. It's not worth being out here for 10 hours. And also, now we can't use our mainsail, so.
Holding Arthur for dear life. He doesn't know what's going on. He wants to go by himself, but I won't let him. For his own good.
We're motoring, but we also have a first reef in the jib up just to give us some stability. We're going about 7 knots, just over 30 degrees into the wind, so we're really tight. Wind's at about 18 to 20 knots, so we got about 2.5 hours for the Venice Inlet where we'll take cover.
On days like this, with an outgoing tide and opposing wind, the Venice Inlet can get dangerously rough.
These waves are massive.
After the previous day's conditions, we decided to take the inside route through the Intracoastal Waterway. In this area, the ICW weaves its way south through a series of man-made canals in what seems like a million bridges.
So we got 6 bridges. Hatchet Creek, Venice Avenue, South Venice Avenue, Minnesota Beach, Tom Adams, Boca Grande Causeway. So these 2 bridges are every 20 minutes. And then the rest, the next 4 bridges we have are on demand. So we just go up, we call them as we're on our way, and they open for us. It's very, makes it feel very powerful, stopping traffic on demand.
Start the process now, Captain.
Copy that, standing by.
Bridge is the Tom Adams Bridge. I believe they're on a schedule. They open on the hour.
You got it, baby. You did it.
I did it! My first bridge. Oh, hi. I didn't know you were filming me.
You like that rum? Uh-oh, that's my girl. Yeah, he's confused.
No, no, no.
A favorite spot for the Satori crew? We always stop at Cabbage Key Resort for happy hour. Then it's back to Satori for movie night on the big screen.
This is awesome.
I love this movie.
Oh, shit. Oh, damn. Oh, shit. Yeah. Cheers to that. So we're at Anchorage at the Cabbage Key in the morning here, and I start smelling some burning, and smoke starts to fill the cabin. It was a scramble just to find out what it was. I just shut the generator off because we had the AC running. Narrowed it down to this front V-berth here. Notice the cover that was up in here like this. Took that off. That's obviously not what you want. That is obviously not what you want. All I can think about is, what if that was at 4 in the morning? There's no way we would have caught that. It's funny is I just had that switch replaced too, so. That's scary. Chase and I were in here while you were in the shower, and like we start to smell something burning, like wood burning.
Yeah?
And smoke started coming in here. Here, close this door so you can look in here.
What is that?
That's the AC. Close this. That warrior just burnt completely off.
Oh my god. Shit.
And that.
That's scary as hell. Boat could catch on fire.
That's scary.
Super scary.
I don't know. I gotta ask somebody who knows what we did wrong.
I've never heard of bark before.
Barking at the pontoon. It's nice to be back in Fort Myers Beach. Typically, we are only here for a few days at a time. But now that we're moving at a slower cruising pace, we've arranged for dockage at Gulfstar Marina for a month. Sure, we have to walk through Doc Ford's Bar and Grill with our soiled laundry, but there's free live entertainment every day. Arthur's like, where's my air conditioning?
Yeah, did that turn on?
You got any backup singers? Anyone? Busted.
Well, this here's a chance for all the fellas. Try to do what those ladies tell us. Get shot down because they're overzealous and play hard to get the females get jealous. Okay, smarty, go to a party. Girls are standing, show 'em body. Chick walks up, you think you can sex her. But you're on the wall like you was point blank. Next day function, high class function. Food is served and you're so calm munching. Music comes on, people start to dance. You didn't eat so much, you never split your pants. Girls start talking, I start talking. Sits down next to you and starts talking. Says she wants to dance to a different groove. Now you want to do cheap on some move. Someone to cure the lonely condition. Looking for love in all the wrong places. No fine girls, just ugly faces. From frustration, bursting connections to become a monkey in the situation. But every dog barrel has a lot of hope. So don't hang yourself with a solo. No movie showing, so you're going. Couldn't care less about the fine girl going. Little kids start to show, then you start finding the same. Dressed in yellow, she says hello. I said yes to you. You run over there, we're gonna sing a little. Yo, what comes next now? Pass the move.